Okay, so anseo tá na focail a bhí againn on seachtain, so we've the words we have from the week. So we have cad é sin, so sin cáca, cóla, c, 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 g, agus c. Okay, so I helped you with the first few. You should know what these are by now, right? You should know what these are, okay? What I want you to do is so na focail sa list of síos, so tá sé ag scríb na rudí síos, okay? Síos. Okay, agus na rudí trasna, sin trasna, right? So across. So síos down, agus trasna is across. Right? So for example, Ibrahim síos. Okay, we'll use so cáca. Cáca. Alright? So cáca. So sin cáca Ibrahim síos. Agus Ibrahim car trasna tosin sé le C. Okay, so it starts with a C. Okay, so Ibrahim car trasna. Okay? An rud céine le seo, so níor lean obair guibh tá sé sin gach rud, so arís so páirteáin agus ton s m agus k. Okay, so you should know what all those words are. I want you to fill them in. So say for example ton. So Ibrahim síos. So T-O-N-N. Right? Ton. Right? So fill on na bosca leis na focail. So fill in these boxes with the words, right? And that's all you have to do for Irish, right? So it's very simple, very easy. Just to make sure you know all the words, right? Okay, and we also have our Zoom today, so don't forget about that. And hopefully we'll have fun. We'll be able to revise some of our words now as well. Right, okay, perfect.